All right, we've got the Redliro underdesk walking treadmill. First thing I'm going to show you, extremely light. It also has two wheels on the front, which allows you to easily roll it in and out from under a couch or under your bed. It's also, as you can see, very thin, only about 3 inches thick. It's got I've got the very cool like matte white finish, which I really like, paired with the black tread. This is very simple and easy to use. I've tested out about 7 or 8 of these. One of the simpler ones that's very high quality. All you do is power it on here, and then we've got the remote here. Now that'll fit right here if you want to store it, but you can obviously hold it while you're using it. And when we hit mode, the M button, we can see, you're able to see the amount of time you've been using it. You can set your time. You've got calories burned. You've got your speed, and you also have distance gone. So you've got some cool things that you can run through, which is very cool. Now we're going to go ahead, power it on. It gives you a 3, 2, 1 countdown. Starts you at its lowest setting, 0.5. And from there, we can run all the way up to 4 miles per hour, which I'm going to tell you, that's plenty. You're not going to need that if you're working from home using a desk here. 4 is going to be a little aggressive, but I like that you can just use this as a good walking treadmill. 4, some of you might even be able to get a little bit of a jog in, but you know, this thing is very simple, very basic, very compact, but very high quality. When I'm walking on this, it feels extremely stable. Kind of feels commercial grade to me. I used to own gyms. This is a very well put together treadmill. Highly recommend.